talk about how can you find your interest device on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on service here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on interest service. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all interest service here. Like you see, I have no service providers here yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.